So the next part is a motherboard, and basically it holds all your parts and allows everything to talk to each other. So we look for a CPU socket type, basically AMD or Intel will determine what motherboard you get. And then I look for BIOS flashback. This isn't a necessity, but BIOS flashback allows you to update your BIOS without needing GPU, CPU, or anything like that. Then I look for PCIe version. Basically this is like information highways for some of your components, forward and backward compatible. M.2 support, so like if you're gonna use an NVMe drive. I also look at I.O. in the back, because if you need like a USB-C port, you need to make sure you have one. I also look for integrated Wi-Fi, so you can hook up an antenna to your motherboard, or you can just get a USB Wi-Fi stick. I want to make sure that it supports RAM speeds and the generation. So whatever RAM I chose, and they support the speeds and the generation, like DDR4 or DDR5. Those are two different things. DDR4 doesn't work on a DDR5 board. They're different, they don't fit. Also want to look to see if I'm able to overclock. So if I'm going to want to overclock my CPU, some boards don't allow you to overclock. And also you can look at size. Size doesn't really matter with the compatibility, but you want to take note so it fits in the case.